Sorry guys, the video I tried to do it ended, sorry, but I'll show you the Pokemon cards. We got this in about the second one. Oh my god, I can't believe it. And okay, that's that. We got some pretty crap cards, but that card was just amazing. I'll do another one. That. I'll do another close-up shot. Tangela. Trainer. These are mostly stage 2 or basic. Except for the break, I think it was the breaks. And back to this. Like, this guy is amazing. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. That's all from me. There'll probably be more Pokemon cards. There's a lot of videos today. And I am alright. Hospital, that was fine. So guys, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.